Okay, so I'm going to bring us back to Earth now and slow us down a bit and talk to you a little bit about Phoenix and the fact that we're sinking. So it's a dry heat here, right? It's hot, dry. Where do we get our water? Well, there's a couple sources. We got some surface water, some canals coming in, but a third of it is groundwater. So we're pumping water from underground aquifers. And what these are layers of sand, gravel, dirt that contain water within the pore spaces, or like the nooks and crannies in between grains. And then we pump the water out. If we pump it out too fast, faster than it can naturally be refilled by infiltration through like rain and through soil recharge, then what we see end up happening over time, very slowly, as the surface of the land will lower. So what happens is that layer compacts, gets smaller, so there's less storage later on to store more water. How do I know this happens? I just told you it's really slow, and it happens over a huge area. So we're talking like 2 centimeters a year in the middle of downtown Phoenix. So how do I even know? Well, that's where the space part comes in. So we can observe slowly sinking subsidence bowls using satellites in space. So what my radar satellite does is it'll send a signal down, beam it to the Earth, reflect back, and then compare that with another pass. Then we compare both of those images and look at the difference, and we can deduct exactly how much subsidence has occurred in the meantime. So why do we even care if it's slow, not that much of an elevation change? Mainly because it's expensive. So for those of you who are Phoenix natives, you've noticed that our valley has spread out over the years, even in the past 10 years or so. Well, those are typically the areas where we've seen really high subsidence rates. So imagine if you're building a house in a new neighborhood, and you didn't quite know that slowly, over time, you start to tilt a wee bit. Well, that causes a lot of expensive things to happen, specifically with foundations and dams. And we like to minimize those costs. So Phoenix is sinking, but don't worry, you're safe.
Thank you, Megan.